Welcome to Our Ladies Rome August event, our Bioconductor watch party for BioC 2003. This talk is recorded and will be posted on YouTube. Please remember that all our attendees are expected to adhere to our code of conduct. You can find it at ourladies.org/code of conduct. We do this because we prioritize creating a safe and inclusive space free from any form of harassment, fostering a respectful environment for everyone to learn and connect. Feel free to use the chat or raise your hand to ask questions. The agenda for today, we do an introduction of Bioconductor, and then we start with the watch party. A keynote will be the first video titled Reproducible Manuscripts with Quarto by J.J. Allaire, which is the CEO of POSIT PBC. Then we have three short talks, one Spatial Transcriptomics with the Spammer package, one in infrastructure with the rworkflows package, and one within the single cell segment about dimensionality reduction. Finally, the second part of this event will be all about workshops, and so we present two talks, one about epidemiology for bioinformaticians and the second one about differential expression analysis, and then we have some conclusion. The material for today, it's all about BioC 2003, and you can find more about the Bioconductor conference at bioconductor.bioconductor.org/workshops. Our Galaxi platform can be found at workshop.bioconductor.org, and we will be using several packages, so if you'd like to follow along, please log into Galaxi, where an RStudio environment will be provided to start practicing with our Bioconductor packages. So we can see how it works, link, and we found ourselves in this page, welcome to Bioconductor Workshop Galaxy. This is the Bioconductor Workshop page, where you find here on this left side panel a list of different workshops, and in here in the BioC 2003 there is the list of packages for the BioC 2003 conference. Some of them were already posted within the workshops, so you can find some others that are not listed within the BioC 2003 in the Smorgasbord board 2003. And so, for example, we will see how it works. You need to log in, have an account to log in, and then we'll use the workshop through this environment, which will provide an RStudio environment for you to use without installing anything on your machine directly. Welcome everyone! Welcome to this event hosted by Our Ladies Rome. So this is the first event of this kind, as we are in person in Rome at the Department of Statistics of La Sapienza University. My name is Federica Gazzelloni, lead organizer of Our Ladies Rome. I am a statistician, an actuary with a diverse range of experience in both academic and industry sectors. I have a keen interest on all aspects of data science. What is R-Ladies? We like to talk about a bit who we are, what we do it for. So R-Ladies is a global organization with the mission of promoting the R language for empowering women at all user levels by building a collaborative global network. It is a gender diversity friendly community founded in 2012 by Gabriela de Queiroz in San Francisco. R-Ladies is now a worldwide organization with 219 chapters, 63 countries, 3,943 events, and more than 93,000 members globally. For more information about R-Ladies, you can have a look at the website at rladies.org. R-Ladies Rome. R-Ladies Rome is a local chapter of R-Ladies Global dedicated to promoting gender diversity in the R language community. Our monthly meetings provide a platform to discuss current trends and hot topics in R, and we encourage active participation and engagement from all attendees. We welcome your suggestions and comments and invite you to get in touch to join our vibrant community. Rome 2003 falls schedule. As we step into this second part of the year, we find ourselves reflecting on the incredible journey we have had so far this year. Our R community of learners has grown, and we have had the privilege of learning from experts in the field. August marks the beginning of a new chapter, and we are excited to see what the rest of the year has in store for us. Stay tuned for more exciting experiences and opportunities to learn and grow together. What about news? We have an important upcoming. R-Ladies Rome is now officially sponsored by the R Consortium and the Linux Foundation projects. Thank you very much to our sponsor. Today's event. So it's time for the Bioconductor watch party. This is a nice vignette from XKCD, which says, "Oh, I think I've got it figured out. Okay, one more hour." So I think I had to choose between tons of fantastic, interesting talks. And so we selected the few that we thought were the most interesting, appropriate for our purpose. But you soon will have the opportunity to have a look at the others because they will be posted on YouTube. So stay tuned. Our Bioconductor watch party. Welcome to Department of Statistics of La Sapienza. So I'd like to talk about a bit what is Bioconductor. Bioconductor is a collaborative project that started in 2001, started to create software for computational biology and bioinformatics. Its main goal is to develop tools for analyzing and understanding large biological datasets from experiments. So these tools include statistical analysis, visualization, and making results reproducible. You might ask yourself, okay, so this is a project, but what actually is Bioconductor? Bioconductor is a sort of container of packages, of R packages. And how many packages does the current release of Bioconductor project include? So in total, there are 3,588 packages, R packages, and they are divided within software, annotation, experiments, and workflow types of packages. How to get started with Bioconductor? So if you have a bit of knowledge about qsvaR, so you open your R Studio Desktop, or you get inside Galaxy, or Posit Cloud, or use any environment that you can where you can use R, and type install.packages, and you install BioC Manager. So this will allows you to install and load all the Bioconductor R packages that are available within Bioconductor container. Then you need to type BioC Manager install and specify the latest version, for example, the BioC Manager, which is 3.17. And then with the same syntax, BioC Managers install, you specify within quotation your package, the package that you like to install. And then you load the package with library function. This part of the video is edited. This is our flyer. So you can now watch the full recording of all selected talks on YouTube. If you go to youtube.com/bioconductor, then you find BioC 2003 playlist, and here there's a full list of all talks for the BioC 2003. You can have a look at the ones that we have selected, and maybe find some more interesting talks in here as well. And finally, the two workshops we have here: an introduction to Galaxy. So we jump into Galaxy and have a look at what Galaxy is and how to use it. In order to do this, we need to go to this address, workshop.bioconductor.org, and sign up with your email and password. Select the workshop. In this case is Epidemiology for Bioinformaticians by Chloe Anya Mirzai. If we get inside the Bioconductor workshop, Bioconductor, sign in, you can see that this is the environment of the workshop in Bioconductor workshop. On this left side panel, there are all the workshops made available. So the one that we are talking about epidemiology can be found under the S Mortgage Board 2003 section. So you click on the workshop, and then you launch the workshop. As you can see, you are allowed to 2 workshops at the time, and then you click on user and have a look at the active workshops. As you can see, I have 2 workshops listed here, and one is this one here, Epidemiology for Bioinformaticians. If I click on it, what does is opening up an RStudio environment with all the information about the workshop. So we have an R markdown and all that is related with a project, all the other files that with a project. So what we need to do is to install Markdown as a first thing to be able to compile this EP4 bio workshop, and then click this knit button. So the workshop will be, this file will be compiled, and an HTML page released, and you can watch it in the viewer pane or in your WhatsApp browser page. So the talk will be about this workshop, and the speaker will go through the steps about that you can find here, so you can follow along with this material. Okay. So if we go back to our presentation, the second workshop, you can also find R material already published on rpubs.com at this address, which I'll put in the chat. So this is the workshop that has been compiled, as you can see. So if you click on it, you can see there are some tags and all the things that she will mention to us during the workshop. So the second workshop, it's a more hands-on session on Galaxy. Again, we already on workshop.bioconductor.org, but this time we select a different workshop. The talk is titled Different Expression Analysis using Limma and qsvaR by Heidat Nani. In this other tidy genomic and transcriptomics analysis, a tidyverse framework for genomic analysis by Stefano Mangiola and Michael Love, by the Walter and Elisa Hall Institute of Medical Research. So this is a application of the tidyverse frameworks for genomics, and so you can find an application on the workshop. So the workshop can be found for the tidy genomics again in the Morgash Board 2003 list. And so this is everything for this watch party. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you at the next event of our ladies room. Bye now.